got receivers who are big and strong. You got receivers who are fast. And then you have very few who are all those things. And A.J. Brown showed all of it there. He showed the strength and then he showed the speed to get away from the pursuing defenders. Hurts wants it all with Brown. A.J. Brown beating Johnson. Staying in.
Minshew has a man wide open and he's got the completion. It's Brown.
Don't bite on the out route. Don't bite on it. You know, that's not going to hurt you. What's going to hurt you is the second part of it, and it just gets tangled up. I love the fact that they let him play on the outside because it's really the momentum of the defender that takes him out of the play.
You know, he's very strong at the catch point. He can win in press. It's almost like in the press situation, he's taking the fight to the DB because he's just so physical at the top of the route.
Is it a touchdown? It is. Yes, it is a touchdown to A.J. Brown.
You know, he's hard to tackle, you know, and he can turn a 5-yard catch into a 60-yard touchdown.
Coverage may not be favorable, but my guy's down there somewhere. I'm going to give him a chance.
Super Bowl 57, all Brown needed was a chance.